I chose Gutierrez window tint because I was looking for a really good window tint for my car since it's a new car and I just got it. And since I have a newborn baby, I wanted something that would protect my baby and my family from Arizona's heat because since it's about to get hot and it's summer. They have multiple choices of what you can get for your car. If you did want to go with a less expensive option, they do give you great options to choose from that. I recommend Gutierrez window tint because they've always done an amazing job with all three of my cars. I've had family friends or other people come visit them, and they all have told me that you guys have done really great with their customer service, really great with getting their cars tinted and having nothing messing up on their windows. You're just, everything is great here. In my eyes, is one of the best quality products that they can provide in Arizona.